Howdy y'all, it's Jordan Smith. We're out here in Westlake, Austin working on a Burton Baldridge designed house. It is gorgeous out here and this site gives great views off of the back of the house. But one of the challenges when you're working on a steep grade like this is putting in a yard that is flat and functional. So our solution is to put in a steel retaining wall. This will look amazing. It'll be painted black, contrasting the white stairs coming down and the industrial concrete back there. Let me jump on the back side and show you how we did it. So I'm up top inside the retaining wall. And on the bottom here, we're going to be filling it with riprap or large rocks to allow moisture to come underneath and out the front of the retaining wall. And then we'll be putting soil on top of that and then grass. And then there'll be sprinkler systems in it as well. So that's a lot of weight of rock and soil and water that we've got to keep strong and tied back to something secure. The way that we did it here is we've got a 4x4x1/4 tube run back to a 1/2 inch steel plate, and that is anchored with 2 1/2-inch Hilti bolts back into this concrete. And we've done that in about 6 places along the length of this wall. Gives it a really strong backing so it doesn't pull out. And then on this side, we want to make sure that our wall is secured to this post, not only in one position, but high, medium, and low. And we use 2x2x1/4 angle that comes from our 4x4s down to the wall in several positions, keeping this vertical and keeping it from twisting under the load. We put a 2x2x1/4 angle across the top as well. When this plate comes out of the mill, it's slightly bowed. And so you want to be able to pull that back to give a straight run all the way across. The way that we did it is we have a 2x2x1/4 angle, ran the entire length, and then we clamp it up and we tack it. That helps the top, but at the bottom you still have this pillow effect between the plates where it's bowed out as it goes down there. And this is what we did for that. We used a 2x2x1/8 inch tube, tacked it onto our plate here, and then we used that same tube in a longer version that goes between our angle iron wall that we built first, and then we use this clamp to suck the plate back to the angle, and we welded it out. And it looks amazing. It floats off of the house by about 3 foot on this side and about 6 foot on that side. So when this is full of a yard, it'll look seamless. A yard comes down, goes around the back, and keeps going, and it doesn't attach to the house anywhere. It looks amazing. Follow me on Instagram, Jordan Smith Builds. I show all of this daily. I keep you up to date with what I'm doing. Otherwise, we'll see you next time on
The Build Show.